A very good evening to one and all present here. I feel immense pleasure to welcome you all to this event named Let the Talent Speak, organized by Vandana International School and Kamal Model Senior Secondary School. This is a motivational and inspirational event, and as the name suggests, the talented and meritorious students of our school are going to interact with an immensely talented celebrity. It's an honor to have someone as a guest with us who's such a galvanic and dynamic personality, a well-known face of film industry, a wrestler turned actor, the son of a person called Rustam Hind. Yes, I'm talking about none other than Mr. Vindudara Singh. Sir, I welcome you on behalf of our school to this event and my heartiest wishes to you for the day, sir. Thank you so much for coming to this show. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
So, with your permission, sir, let's begin the program. Let us take the blessings of the Almighty first. So, let's begin the program with Saraswati Vandana. Now, please hear our
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता तीन चरणों का प्यार दे तेरा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे
So, after this mesmerizing performance, let's tune into some melodies. Now, presenting before you a song by our students.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार हामी हमारी उंगली उससे जग को हमारा प्यार तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः जब आए पहली बार नन्हे से कदम लेकर, जब आए पहली बार थामी हमारी उंगलियों से सर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Dear teachers, thank you for everything you are doing for us. You guided us when we were lost. You supported us when we were weak. You have enlightened us all through. Happy Teachers' Day.
Now, after this performance, I would like to request our Chairman Sir, Mr. V.P. Tandon, to please welcome our honorable guest by his adorable words. Over to you, sir.
Respected बिंदु दारा सिंह जी, एक महान कलाकार हैं और इतने बड़े आर्टिस्ट आज हम बच्चों के बीच में हैं, बच्चों को आशीर्वाद देने के लिए। मैंने आज दिल्ली में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एक थी जिसमें अयोध्या किला पर बिंदु दारा सिंह जी ने मीडिया को बताया कि किस तरह हम अयोध्या में रामलीला करने जा रहे हैं और सर उसमें हनुमान का रोल कर रहे हैं। मैंने वहाँ छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट की कि हमारे जो टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं वो आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा बिल्कुल आप जूम पर उनको जोड़िए, मैं जरूर ब्लेसिंग दूंगा। जबकि उनका 6 बजे का प्लेन है, लेकिन उन्होंने बच्चों के लिए टाइम निकाला। ये बहुत बड़ी उनकी एक बहुत बड़ा उनका दरिया दिल है कि वो बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं और एक महान फादर के वो बेटे हैं हमारे दारा सिंह जी। तो एक नाम पूरी दुनिया में एक शक्ति का वो प्रतीक थे। उनके नाम से जब हम छोटे थे तो हमें कहा जाता था, देखो हमें डराया जाता था कि इतना शक्तिवान व्यक्तित्व था उनका कि दारा सिंह जी का जो व्यक्तित्व था उसका यस ये तो और वो उनका तो कह हम जितना उनके बारे में बोले कम है। इतने महान उन्होंने रोल किए। रामायण में हनुमान जी की भूमिका जिसको पूरे विश्व के हिंदू और समाज के लोगों ने देखा, इतना खूबी रोल निभाया। और उसके अलावा भी जो फिल्म है और खेल जगत में उन्होंने नाम किया। तो ऐसे महान पिता के पुत्र वो भी महान व्यक्तित्व हैं। और वो जब यहाँ पर आप बच्चों के साथ जुड़े हैं तो हमारे लिए, हमारे स्टाफ के लिए, मैनेजमेंट के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत गौरव की बात है कि बच्चों को वो ब्लेसिंग देने के लिए आज हमारे बीच में जुड़े हैं। तो मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमारे जो टैलेंटेड जीनियस बच्चे जिन्होंने टॉप किया है, कमल मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल मोहन गार्डन के 6 to 12 के बच्चे और वंदना इंटरनेशनल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल सेक्टर 10 द्वारका के बच्चे, उनको वो आशीर्वाद देंगे, ब्लेस करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बिल्कुल जी, उन्हें तो ऑलरेडी माँ सरस्वती ने ब्लेस कर दिया है। जो ये मांग रहे थे कि भाई माँ सरस्वती ब्लेस अस, हम अनपढ़, हमें नहीं पता, इन्हें बहुत कुछ पता है। आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू गाइस। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी वंडरफुल थिंग व्हेन यू गेट 90s। हमारे टाइम पे तो 90 बड़ा हार्ड होता था। यू गाइस आर मैनेजिंग 96, 97, 98% एंड यू गाइस आर इंडिगो चिल्ड्रन, वेरी ब्लेस्ड, वी आर प्राउड। एंड मैं इस स्कूल में, ये दोनों स्कूलों में मैं आना चाह रहा था। 2-3 बार हमारी बात हुई टंडन साहब से एंड कुछ ना कुछ होके नहीं आ पाया, but I promised to come there and when this corona thing is over to interact with all of y'all. But now I'm so proud of you guys for getting these results. It's wonderful when children study hard because you're giving your time to studies, but they're going to help you throughout your life because once you know things, then you can interact and you'll never feel left out. So I also want to thank all the teachers. Obviously, the teachers, their day has just gone. So happy Teachers Day to you guys. And because of y'all, the students are doing so well. The school is looking after them. And it's a wonderful thing. I'm so happy for all of y'all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This is the most awaited voice of the day for students, obviously. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your inspirational words. Now, the students, I would like you to grab the opportunity to interact with sir. This is the most awaited activity. Thank you so much, sir. And now you can ask your questions in the chat box, and sir, we're definitely going to answer those questions.
Sure.
So here,
Absolutely.
Sir, any
Please.
message you would like to give to our aspiring artists in the schools, the ones who want to be in the acting field or maybe singing or dancing? Any message for them, sir?
The message for them is to follow their heart and do whatever they want to. Don't listen to what the parents want you to do. Don't follow the parents' dream. Follow your own dream. We as parents always want that our child should follow our dream, but the child might be cut out for something else. So please, parents, it's your responsibility to let the child do what his or her heart desires. That's my only request, because these children are very, very, very talented, and the times are changing. Don't know what the future holds, but the jobs that we had in our times, they're going to be obsolete, and the new generation is going to have some different kind of ways to move forward. So just do whatever your heart tells you to. Spread lots of love, positivity. Stay away from religion and stay away from hate. And you guys, anyway, I don't need to tell you all anything, because you all are very, very, very bright kids. The next generation is very bright. We weren't so brainy. We were simple people like Tandon Saab and us. We wouldn't be able to do the kind of complicated stuff you all do now, because you all are blessed with a superior brain. So you all are going to make India proud.
Great. So, sir just said to all our students that follow your heart, do what your instincts tell you, and what you feel that you can excel in. That's great, sir. And sir, another question that we have for you is that the children want to know, how was your school life? How were you as a school child?
Yeah, you see, my father didn't get a chance to educate himself. He really wanted to study. He loved studies. But he was the eldest son in the family, and it was a poor family. So he had to work in the fields. And his younger brother got a chance to study. And my father would wait for his younger brother to come back from school and ask him what he learned. And he would really love to understand what he was saying. I remember a story that one day that he came and told my father that the world is round. And the whole village started laughing at him. Okay, how can the world be round? We'd be falling, we'd be doing this. So the child got very embarrassed, went back to the teacher, asked them, teacher, how's the world round? And the next day when the child came, took up a little bucket of water and took it round, and not a spill of water went onto the ground. And he said, this is how the earth is round. And then the whole village believed him. So this is how it is. That time it was very, very primitive in the, I'm talking about the 30s. But now, when we went to school, my father really wanted us to have a very good education. We were lucky to have a lovely school like Kamaleta and Dwarka, Apna Bandana school in Jamnabai in Mumbai. And all of us studied, and my father told us just one thing, that listen, in life you're allowed to fail. Never get scared, never not come home or think of you've insulted yourselves or something. Everybody is allowed to fail once in life. So if you all fail, don't worry about it, because he thought never studied. But we had no pressure on our mind, so we never failed. And we would get the 70s and 80s. At that time, it used to be a lot. Now the 90s is the new 70s of that time. So nobody failed, and we all got educated. And I think once you're educated and it's so important that the education system is now changing. And the Modi Sarkar has changed it and getting it to become better and better. So the next generation will get a better education system. Because I really used to feel that why are we learning which date Aurangzeb went and took over this city? What is it going to come to use in our life? But still, whatever is taught in school is very, very important to turn you into a good human being, knowledgeable human being who can interact on any subject. So I think school, college, it's wonderful, and everybody must get an education.
Okay, great, sir. So a lot of them are saying this is like a dream come true for them, that they are interacting with you, although this is virtually, but it is indeed a great experience for all of us. So, sir, do you have time for a few more questions? Does time
Yes,
permit?
of course.
Because children have a lot of questions.
I can see Anushka writing something, but I can't see the whole question.
Yeah.
So I can just see a little question. You'll have to ask me for them.
Yes.
Just take the
So,
child's name and ask whatever you want.
So, sir, Anushka Gupta asks that, sir, when you see your father in Ramayan, did you also desire to be in his place and fly like Mahabali Hanuman?
Yeah, you see, there's this nowadays this new topic going on, nepotism. I think it's pretty much rubbish. You guys, your parents, suppose he's got a lovely office and a big business. Your father or mother definitely want you to take over that same work that they are doing. They already have set it up for you, and they want you to take the legacy forward. That's nepotism. That is nepotism. So nepotism is rubbish. And if you want to become an actor, because you're an actor's son, obviously our father was an actor. So we saw him doing that part. We saw the love that the public had for him. And in my heart, we were 5 kids. But I was the only one who thought I'll be an actor. The rest never wanted to become an actor. So this is how it is. You have to follow your heart. Whatever kids wanted to do, they did. And when I went, I remember going to Ramayan and seeing the shooting of Ramayan. I was very young. And it was wonderful. We said, Dad, when you're going to fly as Hanumanji, we want to see how you fly. And that's the day when we went and we saw that he's just lying on a bed. And that person with a machine is making him fly and saying, Dadaji, ab aap ud rahe ho. Late hilao, late hilao. It was amazing. So now technology has changed. Now when I need to fly, they say, Binduji, just put your hand up. Yes, now you're flying. So I don't even have to lie down now. So every time technology changes and we get more progress.
Absolutely. Yeah, thank you, sir. So few of us few of our students want to know that what kind of diet and exercise regime, you're so fit, your father was famous for his fitness, you yourself were a wrestler, and so children want to know what kind of diet and exercise regime do you follow?
You have to understand that the diet and exercise regime is you must give your body is the most expensive thing that you will ever own in your life. So please give it a little bit of time, 15-20 minutes every day. Make it a habit. Once you cross the 8th standard, please start exercising, not before the 8th. The 6th standard children, relax. You still have 2 years to go. But from the 8th, please do a little bit of exercise, do a little push-ups, sit-ups. If you're a girl, you can skip. You can have a little bit of running. So give 15-20 minutes to your body always. So then that temple, which is your body, will help you and it'll stay with you and you'll never have any troubles of health all your life. Diet, you can have everything. Indian food is fantastic. It's full of energy and strength. I love ghee, but people, I don't think everybody loves ghee. But in our times, ghee was very, very wonderful. And ghee is something special. Milk. In our family, we drink milk forever. Till our dying days, we drink milk. So we think milk is important. Nowadays, science and teachers tell you that you don't need milk after a certain age. But we don't believe in that. We believe milk is a wonderful thing. And I'm not very particular that you should be having this, having that. Whatever you feel like eating, whatever gives you energy and you feel strong, have that. But if you exercise, you can have everything. Try to stay away from too much of white sugar and all that. Par khair, muh meetha to kar hi lena chahiye. This is how it is.
Great. So sir has told you children that you need to follow the healthy diet with which you can, very well our Indian food is very healthy and balanced. So you should go for that and regularly have an exercise regime. So that's great, sir. So should I go with my next question? Do we have time? Okay.
We have lots of time. You go ahead.
Oh, that's great, sir. That's great. So one of the student wants to know that, sir, how is the experience of being an actor? So how is that, there are a lot of things going on right now that talk about, with every profession comes negatives and positives. So maybe we can talk about how, how things go about in the industry. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to understand that everybody in Mumbai, 30,000 to 40,000 people come every day to become actors.
Absolutely.
So it's one of the toughest professions that you ever choose. So out of maybe 5-6 crore people, a Shah Rukh Khan comes out. So it's not a very easy profession. It's like the chances are very, very less. But the thing is now with the advent of web shows and televisions and everything, the chances have increased. So people who go, they must first find out absolutely that if they really have the talent in them. So when you do a school play, when you act on stage, like those 4 girls who were singing the song, who we saw, who just sang the song, one of them who started off, maybe we needed to edit that shot, but you could see her going this way. So then she's not cut out to be an actress. That is how you have to realize that point. You understand? But she sang very well, so she has a wonderful voice. So she could be a singer. So this is how it is, that everybody has different kinds of talent. The teachers, I think, in our education system, soon time will come when the teachers, by the time you're reaching your 11th, 12th standard, will start telling you all, okay, I think you should be going in that field, because the teachers know you best. And I think soon that time will come when the education goes towards which profession should you take. Till now, it's not headed in that direction, but I see India moving forward, and Modi is doing his level best to change education. So if that happens, then you all will be able to tell the children, this or this, please, because I think that you will be very good in this. So that teachers are our first guru, and acting is a very, very far off thing. And if you guys want to ever think about acting, please understand you must have some connection there. You just can't land up in Mumbai. It's a city of, thugs. Thug life, wale city hai. You get robbed as soon as you land, and people trying to make fools of you all the time. So it's a very, very dangerous profession. But if you have the talent and if it's written here, you will be an actor.
All right, great, sir. So I hope this answers the question. A lot of our children are interested in knowing that how was your experience in Bigg Boss, and how did you feel in the house? When as viewers we see there are tough days, you can't speak to your family for months, and there are tough we are sure maybe during the lockdown, but usually you wouldn't be doing the household chores, but there you're doing the mopping, cooking, everything. So how was the entire Bigg Boss experience?
See, the Bigg Boss is a reality show that's actually absolutely real. There's no script. They don't tell you anything. They just lock you in that house and then they shut the door and finish. So for 3 months, they are not going to tell you one thing. You do what you want to do. So they can only control you. They can only control you with a task they send down. The task, and they can trouble you. They can trouble you. They cannot. They'll spoil your sleep. So it's a very, very tough show. But the thing is that Bigg Boss was a wonderful experience. I am the sort of person who doesn't live for yesterday or for tomorrow. I live in today. So for me, doing Bigg Boss was pretty easy, because the next day I would forget any problem. I would forget it. But if you remember things, then that show can really get on your nerves. Because if somebody's troubling you, like a Kamal Khan, we had a KRK, he ate our blood. But
yes. So, okay, I think we're having a network trouble right now.
I think so, ma'am.
And all the students have thanked. They are immensely feeling a great pleasure on being here on the show and having a chat, having a word with Mr.
Okay, I think sir is back. Yes, sir. Please continue.
Mrs. Gandhi, आपकी बेटी Vandana, can you hear us? Vandana ji.
Anji sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Welcome, sir. Welcome in the gathering, sir. Our students are welcome. They are really, well, I'm checking the chats now. They are very happy to chat with you. They are floating so many questions. I don't say.
I just saw some question. Which sports did you like? So I just want to tell you all that when we were kids, we would play all sports, and that is the worst thing in India. I played table tennis for school. I swam for school. I played hockey for school. I played football for school. I played cricket for school, and that's stupid. So you have to understand, in our times, this was how it was. But now, I think you all are playing one sport and excelling in that. We were always jack of all trades, master of none, which is not a good idea. So please just concentrate on one sport that you really love and go for it. Go for gold.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, there is another question. Children want to hear you speak a dialogue of your choice.
अरे सो साहब पे कर लो भरोसा.
More like a request than a question. Yeah.
एक पिक्चर हमारी हाउसफुल उसमें होता सो साहब पे कर लो भरोसा. एक वो था और एक हमने जैकवा और जिलवा we had sang in Big Boss. In Big Boss there was a poem. Raju Srivastava bhai, he was with me and he would entertain me all the time. And he was keeping on doing something or the other. And he taught me a poem which went like this: Jack and Jill, what we all learn in the KG and first standard. He taught me Jackwa or Jilwa, gaye upar hilwa, paniya bharan ke vaste, paniya bharan ke vaste. Jackwa gir gawa, khopadiya phat gawa. Jackwa gir gawa, khopadiya phat gawa. Jilwa आई लड़खड़ाते पूरे रास्ते. These are poems taught me.
Thanks a lot.
I'm just making you guys forget Jack and Jill. That's not good. I'm in a school Zoom meet, so you all better say Jack and Jill as it's supposed to be.
Okay, sir. So a lot of children want to know that who is your role model? So is there anybody you look up to? Obviously, we know your father was such a personality. We all look up to him. So
Definitely.
anybody you want to talk about?
You see, I know each and every actor, and my life has been in the acting business and in the film industry. My father is the biggest role model, but after that, I've learned from many people. From Pran Saab, I learned that what is dedication. I don't know whether these kids know Pran Saab, but he would come to the set 10 minutes before time, and he wouldn't move. And he wouldn't move even at lunchtime. Also, he would want to sit there only and have lunch. Until pack up, he would sit there. Also, if he's not needed for 2 hours. So that was the kind of dedication I learned from him. From Akshay Kumar, we learned to stay grounded. His favorite dialogue is Sundi, Zameen te rehna, Zameen te rehna. So always stay on the ground, always stay grounded. From many people, you learn many things, many different things. And from Ajay Devgan, like when Ajay Devgan was there coming and he wanted to be an actor, everybody was making fun. Nobody believed that he could be an actor. We all also used to make fun of him. Till 1 or 2 people said, no, don't worry, he will be a big actor. And actually he made it. So when you are convinced in your mind that you can do something, don't listen to anybody. Follow your heart, follow your dreams. You will make it. And this is how it is.
Oh, great. Sir, there's a boy named Faris from 8th D, and he has messaged me personally, I think more than 20 times. He wants to know, ma'am, I have a question. What were the problems sir faced as an actor? So they want to know the problems and the struggles of an actor.
Yeah, the problems that you face as an actor is that suddenly, sometimes you just start getting typecast. So when I used to work on television, I would get lots of villain roles. And then suddenly, when I was doing the one movie came, Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, and they gave me a comedy kind of a role in that. And from that time in the movies, I would keep getting comedy roles. So this is the problem there, that you feel you can do much better and you can be a good villain, but in the movies, they don't want you as a villain. And in television, they would still take me. So there's a problem in the film industry. You suddenly get typecast about it. I've done so much. I don't know how many movies I've done. I can't count. How much TV I've done. I can't count. So many years I've been working. I worked when I was a child. I started in my first role was when I was 7 years old in my father's movie. 6 years old, I think. 6 years old. So it's been so many years, and I've got lots of work. But now I've just taken it easy, and I just want to do something which will make my heart happy, because I don't need the acting for my kitchen. So first I would want to do everything, but now I like to pick and choose.
Great, sir. Sir, so Ayush Luthra wants to know, sir, were you early to go in the acting field? So I think he's referring to the same thing, that maybe, you know that you were very young when you joined the acting field. So like, did you complete your schooling and college and everything?
Oh, absolutely. I had to go to shoot for my movie to Chandigarh.
Okay.
And my father said, see to it that Vidhu doesn't miss one day of school. So I remember on a Friday when I finished school, Saturday morning I flew, and Sunday night they finished my work and sent me back. Because my father didn't want me to miss school. That's how important school is. And for him, it was a wonderful thing that he would ask us capitals of city, of countries, and all that. He always wanted knowledge. So I'm lucky that I started off very early in the acting business, and I never felt shy of the camera or anything of that sort, because some people feel shy, some people don't feel like acting, but I think it was inborn in me, and it wasn't there in the rest of my family. None of them wanted to be an actor, and none of them did. So this is how it is, just meant to be.
Okay, so great. Obviously, this whole session came to you naturally, sir. We can see that on it actually targets audience also. Okay, so sir, one student wants.
Your voice is breaking.
Am I
Vandana?
speaking now?
Yeah.
Okay. Was Vandana ma'am speaking something? Did I interrupt? Because I lost.
No, the voice is breaking. Akanksha,
Okay. Yes.
your voice is breaking, not Vandana ji. Your voice is breaking.
Okay. Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, great. So, who's your favorite wrestler?
Who's my favorite wrestler?
Yes.
Out of all the ones from the foreign countries, my favorite wrestler was Dara Singh. We've all watched his movie wrestling, but this guy, the guy who's become a big hero now, what's his name? The bald guy. They'll write it there. I like him very much. क्या नाम है मूवी उसका?
I have zero knowledge of this field.
All the kids know the bald guy who's the biggest Hollywood superstar now. What's his name? Yeah.
Rock?
Right. Rock. Yes, Rock. I think Rock is. He was fantastic in the wrestling also, and fantastic in the movies also. But I used to like Hulk Hogan in our times. But these kids might have not seen Hulk Hogan. They might have also seen him. And I don't watch too much of WWF, but I used to see each and every. John Cena is also good. I would see each and every of my father's wrestlings till the last wrestling. I watched every Saturday, Sunday. Me, Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, even Akshay said my father would take me to watch wrestlings. All of us would sit and watch them live. That was something else.
Oh, great, sir. Great. Sir, so a lot of them want to know that basically Ishani Das and a lot others want to know that why did you choose acting as your career? We obviously know your father was a very established actor. So just the way you said, out of 5 siblings, only you chose to be an actor, right? So they want to know what was your inspiration to be in this field?
Yeah, you see, when I was a kid, like all these children who are sitting here and watching this, your teacher always makes you say, okay, now please write, what do you want to become in life? So I remember when I was in the 5th standard, in my mind would say actor. But I was a very, very puny little thin kid with glasses, and I would write doctor, pilot, all rubbish. In my mind, I had already thought actor. So this is how it is. At 5, in the 5th standard, I'd already thought I want to be an actor, and that's obviously because I've been with my father, saw what he was doing. Pran Saab, Dharminder Uncle, Amitabh Bachchan, they would be hanging out with us in a home. We'd be playing cricket with Vinod Khanna bowling, Amitabh Bachchan batting. So we were brought up in that atmosphere. My brother didn't care, and he's more friends with all the actors now. But I acted, and I'm not in friends with too many of them. So this is how it is. But from the 5th standard, I knew I want to become an actor.
Oh, great. Great, sir. Okay, so what was your dream as a child? To be an actor or something else? You had something else in your mind?
Nothing, never. I was focused. Actually, one man. And in those times, what happened is that because I was very puny and thin, in those times, it was a different way. when we would go to a movie theater, the theaters used to be very few and there used to be house full, all of them. But if you were from a film family, you were a director, producer, actor, anybody's child wild, you could go and say the name and they would give you a ticket.
Okay.
So I would go and say, मैं दारा सिंह का बेटा हूँ, and they would laugh and say, hey, झूठ बोलता है, चल हट. So I would have to take my father to the theater once in a while and see, ये मेरा ही बेटा है. So then we'd get a ticket. So this is how much I changed from the most weakest guy in school till the 7th standard. In the 8th, my father started making me exercise, and by the time I left the 10th standard, I was the strongest guy in the whole school.
Oh, great, sir.
So that is how much transformation exercise can do for you.
Yes. So sir is talking about having a clear goal and then working on it sincerely. All right,
Yeah.
children, that's a great message coming from sir. So a lot of them want to know about your first movie, the role you played, the feelings you had when your first movie released. So I think a lot of them, more than 50 questions about your first film.
Yeah, well, they might be wanting to know the first movie as a hero. That was Karan. Yeah,
Okay.
there was a movie called Karan where I was a hero and was launched in that movie. So before that, before my first movie came out, Amir Khan's brother had also come into his first movie, and that movie didn't do very well.
Okay.
Because that movie didn't do very well, suddenly, this is how the film industry works. Everybody said, "Arey, नवे लड़के की picture लेके गलत कर दिया." So my movie was coming soon. So that the way you release a movie tells you at that time how big the movie will be. So Karan was released by some people like a hit, and by the banners and hoardings were very less. So the movie became a hit some places and didn't do well in some places. So it was pretty disappointing because it wasn't a mega hit. It was just a normal.
Okay.
We didn't lose money. We made some money. But my career had started and people like me, and then my work on television and all started from there. And I got a few movies which I didn't like and didn't want to do. This also happens. My father would tell me,
Okay. Sir, am I audible to you?
So students,
Yes. So I think sir is facing a bit of a network glitch right now. But I think children, I hope that all of you are getting some valuable knowledge and motivation from such an inspirational person. He's sharing his, life experiences, his thoughts with all of you. And now it depends on us how we can make the most out of such, famous, successful people's life journey, isn't it? Yes.
and he is having 3 messages for us. One is follow your heart. Second is be down to earth. Third is stay focused. So I hope you'll follow all these 3 rules of life to be successful in your life.
Okay, sir has joined
Sir
again.
has come. Yeah, he has joined again.
So, sir, can you hear me?
They are connecting to audio.
Okay.
can you hear us?
Yeah, absolutely, sir.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay. Are we
Yes.
okay? The screen is...
Yes. Let me check. Technical team, is the sir's video visible? Because I currently can't see it. Yes, we can. We can. Absolutely, sir. Great.
This way is okay, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that is fine, sir. Sir,
So-
yes. I
where
know,
were we?
sir. These questions are endless. Whenever you want to leave, just give me a hint, sir. We'll make you free from this because
I
children
shall
have
come. I
endless.
shall come to school and meet you guys, and then we can speak to each other. But if
Yeah,
you think
sir.
there's any question that needs to be taken, just see that and let me know.
Sir, I think I'll just ask you two more questions. One is that Manan Bansal asks that any one life lesson you want to share with us that you think would be helpful, that if we know from our school life itself.
From school life.
No, like your life lesson, like any lesson, any message you want to convey to them, that one mantra or something you want to convey.
The best mantra, one life lesson I will teach you all is always speak the truth. That is the biggest and best mantra of life. If you want to be happy in life and don't want any regrets ever, never lie. That's it. A magical thing. If you speak the truth, then you don't need to worry only ever. Just speak the truth. So what happens is when you, if you never lie, I think your life is going to be very, very wonderful. And that's the mantra that has really helped. Because straight, if you speak the truth, it might hurt. It might, some people might get offended. Some people might say, कुछ भी बोल देता है, लेकिन चलेगा. सच बोलना. Having truth, speaking the truth is the best. Yeah.
Absolutely, sir. One lie leads to 100 other lies. We all know that.
Yes.
But I think we all need to implement it. And, once you say the truth, that's the end of the story forever. That's
Yeah,
great,
yeah.
sir.
It could be hard sometimes. You can't say the truth
Yes.
because you know the other person is going to get offended or is not going to be
Yes.
very happy about it. But it's better to speak the truth. Yeah.
Great, sir. Sir, okay, so I said two more questions. So one thing Ishana wants to know, which I also really want to know, that we all know your father, but we all really don't know about your mother. So would you like to tell us something about your mother?
Yeah, my mother was a very, very simple housewoman. जो housewife जो होती है ना, she was my father and mother in those times. You see, those were different times. Parents would arrange meetings and fix weddings. Same way as the first woman that boss was shown was Vandana ji. सीधा शादी. Didn't कुछ नहीं, ना left ना right. तो वो जमाने अलग थे. मेरे डैड का भी जमाना वैसा था. So when they asked my father कि आपकी शादी करनी है, तो my father had just one request कि कुड़ी must be educated because he was uneducated. So he wanted that the woman must have studied. So they said yes, she is educated. So he said, okay, then one more thing, that I'm not just going to do it, I want to see her for 1 second. I want to see her at least for 1 second. So they arranged a golden temple. In the golden temple, my dad was sat with some auntie and she came with some sister and friend and they just walked past, no talking. They walked past, he saw her, she saw him, and wedding done. But now, I really want to tell all the parents and all the kids that please try and get out of this rut of what is this, ये religion नहीं, ये वो मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रहा, लेकिन ज़्यादा मतलब please follow your heart, tell your parents if you really like somebody, and please मतलब nowadays marriage is becoming very, very dangerous institution, so try and keep it very simple, truthful, tell your parents if you like somebody, don't hide it from them, be open about it. We parents are also listening to our children now. We also know it's not like before कि हमने बोल दिया और हो गया. So the times have changed. We are also ready to accept everything. Please be frank with your parents. Treat them like your own. They are your gods, but they also love you. So tell them the truth.
Great. The children's sir has told you, and he has given this, benefit of doubt that all of you will take good decisions, worthy decisions in life that your parents will agree to eventually, right? And I think the questions are not going to end. Every 2 minutes, I see 99 plus new messages. But I understand, sir, you are a very busy person, and it was a privilege for each one of us. And a lot of them have mentioned that, sir, I am your fan, I am your big fan. So believe us, sir, it was a moment of pride, and you have added to the glory of our school by being amidst us. And you are so humble, so down to earth. You answered. Yes.
He's very close to us. Tandon Saab is very close to us. He's like family. And 2-3 times I wanted to come to that school, but I couldn't come. But next time when we are in Delhi for a long time, we shall come, meet you all.
We are pleasure, sir.
आज भी हम सोच रहे थे घर पे जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, लेकिन वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, हमारा प्लेन मिस हो जाएगा. Lots of love to all of you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Thank you, sir.